Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Xfinity email not working. First, check your internet connection and then make sure that it is stable. Next, verify your login credentials. Ensure that you're entering the correct email and password. If you're using a browser, try clearing the cache or cookies by switching to a different browser. Now if you're using the email app, go to the email app, click on the three-line option in the top left corner and check the server settings IMAP or SMTP to ensure they are correctly configured. Log out and log back in to refresh your email session. Then check your spam or junk folders to make sure that the messages are not being filtered incorrectly. If the issue continues, check Xfinity email services are down or experiencing the issue. You can also reset your password if you suspect login problems. That's how you fix the Xfinity email not working. If you found this useful, do not forget to like and subscribe.